Hello, welcome to Board of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip of the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on July the 5th. We did a first move, a shoulder slide, a yo-yo and a side to side, and if you need a more detailed teach of any of the moves, there are links in the description below. This is just to show you how they all went together. So starts off with the first move, so man's left, lady's right, and goes like this, goes 7 and 8. Back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return shoulder slide, you go latch and catch right, return for the yo-yo, across the chest, out, flat, turn switch to the left, return for the side to side, we came in, out of the way, over the top and back to the beginning. Hopefully you'll find that useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you to everybody who likes, subscribes and hits the bell. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.